Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Today I'll be showing you how I install some natural looking hair onto my hair. This is the braid pattern in the front. All I did in the back is a little zigzag and connect the braids into one and just sew it in. So this is the hair that I'll be using.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right.
I'm putting the crochet needle through the braid and latch the hair in the loop, close it and pull it through. Make sure you double knot.
Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now.
We're gonna do this again and just keep watching. The cornrows you see, the back is not really straight because at the end of the day you're not gonna see the back, so I really didn't focus, because if I was supposed to braid the back, I need to do that in the bathroom where I can actually see my head from the back. It's gonna look a little crazy in front, doing that in front of the camera. So that's the reason why I already did the braids earlier.
For the girls, may they come true, come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. She say yeah, yeah, original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 No, 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 no. Original. Original Batman, just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright.
So for the front section, I'm gonna first start crocheting all those lines here to here, and from there to the middle and to the other hand. So I'm gonna start right here first in the middle and make sure I am able to cover the gap that is here between this braid and the braid behind it. So after that, I'm gonna take from the sides and make sure that I do the same thing.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really.
So as you can see, now on this side, I am just going to crochet it this side. The other side is laid back, so I am gonna take it right from down, and I'll do the same thing, but this time I'm just crocheting the sides. I have to say that this hair is really amazing. The hair feels really soft. It doesn't really feel like it's this very cheap hair. It's very, very soft and looks very natural.
No, 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 no. Original. Original bad man. Just say no, 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 no. Just say
Look at this is what it looks for now. I'm using a small comb and comb it down and make sure it looks really natural.
moving right.
After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little coconut oil into the hair and then use my blow dryer just to get the volume a little bit down, just like this. And I'm so loving this hair. I am gonna rock this for this whole week and then we're gonna see what happens. Thank you so much for watching today. I can't wait to see you guys next week on my video. Make sure you subscribe.
Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no.